In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ticket in Zoho Desk. Whether you're cleaning up old requests or just need to manage ongoing issues, knowing how to efficiently handle tickets is essential for maintaining organized customer service. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in managing your workspace. To start, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Desk account and are at your workspace dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your tools and features. Once you're logged in, redirect your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu. Look for the option labeled Tickets. Clicking on Tickets will take you to a comprehensive list of all the tickets associated with your account. This list might seem daunting if you have a lot of customer interactions, but don't worry, it's organized by default settings to help you find what you need effectively. Now it's time to scroll through your list of tickets. The key here is to find the specific ticket or tickets that you want to delete. As you scan through the options, you can either select individual tickets or, for bulk management, select multiple tickets that should be removed. Remember, delete only those you are sure you no longer need, as this action is permanent. After you've identified the ticket or tickets you want to delete, look for the small checkboxes beside each ticket's title. Clicking these checkboxes marks them for deletion. Once you're satisfied with your selection, head to the top of your ticket list. Here, you will find a Delete option, typically represented by a trash bin icon. Clicking this icon brings up a confirmation dialog. This extra step is crucial as it's designed to prevent accidental deletions. In the confirmation dialog, you'll see a prompt asking whether you're sure you want to proceed with deleting the selected tickets. Zoho Desk takes data management seriously, so they want you to confirm that these tickets can be permanently removed from your records. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. The unneeded tickets have now been safely removed from your Zoho Desk environment. This process is straightforward and helps keep your ticketing system clutter-free and focused solely on active issues requiring your attention. If you ever need to reference a previously deleted ticket, consider setting a process for documenting important details before deletion. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you feel more in control of your ticket management and have learned how to maintain an orderly customer service dashboard effectively. For more useful tips and tricks regarding Zoho Desk and other organizational tools, make sure to check out our other videos. Happy organizing!